Do you know that 75% of finance managers spend 3 or more days on month-end reporting? That's insane. That's 36 lost productivity days on a 12-month basis. That's a lot of lost days in productivity alone. And you can save that with just a click of a button. Hi, my name is Rich Bezainat. I'm Managing Director of Imagination Info Solutions, and we create automation within Excel for your critical business reports. And I want to talk to you today about how you can solve that problem. Excel is still the world's #1 business productivity tool. The #1 tool used by finance managers in particular. We use it because it's efficient, it's customizable, and we can do things the way we want to do it. Of course, there are fantastic tools like QlikView, Tableau, and all the rest of it that come with it in industry today, but they all have one key feature that no business would buy if it didn't have this. That's the export to Excel button. The reason they have it is because we still want control over what our reporting looks like. Even when we have fancy systems like Syspro, Palladium, Tourplan, or Sage Evolution, it doesn't matter. All those reports, there's such a whirlwind of reports inside those systems that it's difficult sometimes to get the information that you want. That's why you do export and you create your own reports using Excel, because you now have that capability. You still need control. You're still responsible for the reports. I'm sure that when you started building your reports in Excel, it was a fairly simple process. You know, an export here, an export there, bring it in, a couple of VLOOKUPs, and voila, report's done, a few hours. But as time's gone by, it's gotten more and more information. The reports have gotten bigger and bigger. There's maybe a few more systems or other data that you need to get information from to include in your reports. Now it's not a few hours. Now it's 3 days. Maybe it's 5. At the top end, 7 days just to compile reports. Wouldn't you like that process to be quicker? Wouldn't you like to spend more time analyzing that information, finding key business value in your data so you can make the strategic decisions to drive your business forward? Automation in Excel is possible. What we're talking about is a way for you to save the days that you spend compiling reports and spend it on something much more value than that. That's analyzing the data and making quick and informed business decisions. The challenges we often see when it comes to reports inside of Excel or other reporting tools is that it's not just one entity. You probably have a few entities or divisions, and the complexity of your reports require that you have multiple chart of accounts that you need to homogenize into a single set for reporting. Maybe your reports need to go to different users. So there's your divisional financial managers that need to get their reports. You also have your executives that you need to report to. So you end up creating sort of multiple workbooks of the same information just so that it can satisfy a diverse audience. And that's where the problem starts. That's where you start to get errors. And that's what adds onto the complication of this massive reporting universe that you created in Excel. We've got a solution. So what are we talking about here? You use Excel every month, maybe every day, to do some critical business reports. It takes you a really long time to compile those reports. You do your very best to check that everything is correct, but sometimes there are mistakes. You feel uneasy about it. Wouldn't you like to solve that problem? Wouldn't you like that all to go away? Tell me, what would you do with the extra time? How would that change your career? How would that change your life? At Imagination, we've seen this problem over and over again with all of our clients. That's why they trust us to help solve it. We've created automation with Excel reporting over the last 11 years, and we can help you too. Our management account reports are fully automated that integrate into some of the most popular systems out there, including Sage Evolution, including Syspro, Palladium, Tourplan, and SAP. And we've helped our customers get their P&Ls, their balance sheets, their cash flow, and general management accounts at the click of a button. 3 minutes for something that used to take 3 days. These are really effective reports. They're beautifully designed with dashboards and KPI that are suited for your business, that are customized for the feel and the way that you like to do your reports. With a wealth of knowledge inside our analytical engine that we've built, you can now create your own reports. You can change things, and you can dive deeper when somebody asks a question that they need an answer to fairly quickly. No longer do you need to do exports and imports and cleaning of data. This is all done for you in our automated tools. What I want you to do is click the link below and book a personalized, no obligation demo where I can take you through just how this tool could help your business. Love to see you.